Namaskar everyone, welcome back once more time. And right now we already launched our mango seasonal pastries and confectionery in our exact place. Okay, and Chef Vivek Reddy is going to talk on more because he is the guy behind it. So Chef Reddy creativity all about it. Chef Reddy, please.
एक्चुअली हम इसलिए इस बार डिफरेंट करना चाहते हैं कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं एंड प्रोडक्ट देख के पता नहीं चलता कि एक्चुअली वो बनता कैसे चीज़ है। तो हम इसीलिए आपको किचन में लाया गया है कि एक्चुअली अंदर कैसा काम होता है और कैसा प्रोडक्ट को कैसा फिनिशिंग करने के बाद मतलब कैसा सुंदर बनता है। मतलब वी स्टार्ट विथ सम डिफरेंट थिंग्स, मैदा, शुगर, बटर हो गया, अलग अलग चीज़ें देखें तो अपने को मतलब ऐसा लगेगा कि इससे क्या बनता है एक्चुअली। So mixing all together something called as a magic, and we come out with a delicious product and what we are going to see inside now. ठीक है, gonna be prepared over here itself, and there is a room called oven room. The baking सारे वो रूम में होंगे क्योंकि because this is maintained temperature, जो pastries ठंडा आएंगे तो इसी के ये करेंगे तो actually वो baking section वहीं पे है, and all baking things we'll do over there. Baking होने के बाद then उसको ठंडा कर देंगे और यहीं पे बनाएंगे और वहाँ पे फ्रिज में छोड़ देंगे। ठीक है, दिस इज ये मतलब पूरा फिनिश नहीं है, दिस ऑल अनफिनिश पेस्ट्रीज एक्चुअली। तो हम एक्चुअली अभी क्या कर रहे हैं नॉर्मली टू शो आवर लाइफ और इन द बेकरी। सो हम एक्चुअली शेफ कपकेक बना रहा हूँ वहाँ पे। अगर आप किसी को टेस्ट करना है प्लीज़ टेस्ट योर कपकेक्स। मोस्टली मैंने क्या किया एक्चुअली भोपाल पीपल मोस्ट लाइक मतलब लाइक करते हैं कि लोकल चीज़ें। ये है साबूदाना है, सागो बोलते हैं हम, टोपियोका बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में। तो टोपियोका को कुक करके मैंगो प्यूरे में मिक्स करके क्रीम के साथ मतलब लोकलाइज बहुत सारे लोकलाइज करने के लिए हम बहुत कोशिश की है। ये सब्जा सीड्स के साथ है द मैंगो एंड गोज वेरी वेल। We are celebrating the mango festival in the Eglise. This is a courtyard by Marriott's actually. So we are celebrating a mango festival till June 15th, and we are doing a special mango desserts as like a mango tapioca mousse pastry, and then fresh fruit tarts, and like chocolate delight with some berries, fresh blackberries, and some we are doing some mango charlotte cake. And then we are doing a mango cheesecake with a blueberry jelly on top. As you can see the desserts over here as a display, and fresh fruit tart and espresso meringue with mango salsa mousse dome, what we call as. And we are doing a mango charlotte cake. So many varieties as per the mango is a seasonal fruit. And this is a king of the fruit. We call it as mango, and very finger of like a lot of people like the mangoes in terms of they like so much the mangoes. I'm basically a lover of a mango, and I don't miss it anyways in terms of eating a fresh mangoes and along with the desserts.
What's special in this? Basically, like the preparations that you have got. What are the special desserts that you are offering?
The special desserts actually, in terms of attract the local crowd. In terms of we are innovated with tapioca, which called as a Hindi, we call it as a sago, and it's converted into a mango mousse with mango chunks in it, and overall garnished with a lot of mangoes on top. Right, very and with the coconut we used in the syrup called the Malibu. We mixed with that, and that's the best dessert. And the cheesecake with blueberry jelly on top, with a lot of mangoes in the cheesecake as well. A lot of conversions we did into like the other dessert. If you go, it's like chia seeds, which Hindi called terms as sabja seeds. Basically, it's a tulsi seeds, and it's a soaked, and it's healthier to our body. It cools down your body and keeps much healthier to your body. And it is also converted into a mix with a mango, and a lot of local stuff to show off in the market right now.
Chef, what is your expertise actually? Are you more into desserts, bakery, or?
I'm actually basically a pastry chef, so I'm keen into a pastry and a bakery and a bread as well.
What is your best preparation that you have made till now?
In terms of mango festival, my favorite dish is chocolate delight with fresh berry and tapioca, which I already told, which is sago, which is called as tapioca in English. So it is with a mango mousse and Malibu on top of with a lot of mangoes.
How long would this festival go on?
The festival is continues till June 15th, as it started on May 15th, and we are running the festival till 1 month.
And what would be the approximate pricing of these?
Sir, there is a cheaper versions as well. The 75 rupees plus taxes actually if you go with the mango chia seed desserts, and the expensive thing is 150 rupees, which you are costing in terms of mango delight or fruit tart.
So mango lovers would be able to afford it. It's
Yes,
not too
definitely,
expensive.
Definitely. And we have a fresh cut fruit mangoes if you want to order, place an order.
Mostly Alfonso.
Yes, Alfonso. Yes, mostly we are using Alfonso.
Thank you very much.
Yes.